Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix HubSpot login issues, user permission errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are logging in with the correct email address that is actually added to your HubSpot account. Next, try the correct login method by choosing Google Sign-in, Microsoft Sign-in, or email and password depending on how your user was created. Then, open an incognito or private browser window to rule out cached sessions causing permission conflicts. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies for HubSpot domains and restart the browser completely. Now, switch to a different browser to check if an extension or browser setting is blocking HubSpot authentication. Next, disable ad blockers, script blockers, VPN, and proxy tools temporarily because they can break login redirects. Then, check your system date and time settings because incorrect time can cause security token validation errors. After that, verify your internet connection is stable and try a different network if you suspect firewall restrictions. Now, ask a super admin in your HubSpot account to confirm your user is active and not deactivated. Next, have the super admin confirm you are assigned to the correct account if your email is invited to multiple HubSpot portals. Then, check whether your access is limited by a partition setup or Teams restriction in your HubSpot settings. After that, have the super admin review your permission sets and ensure you have at least the minimum required access for the tools you need. Now, confirm you are not trying to access an enterprise-only feature without the required paid subscription permissions. Next, if you see a message like you don't have permission, capture the exact wording in the URL you were trying to open. Then, try logging in from the main portal homepage instead of a deep link to avoid landing on a restricted page first. After that, request the super admin to remove and re-add the specific permission set to refresh your access mapping. Now, have the super admin check if your user is assigned to the correct team and that the team has the right permissions. Next, verify whether single sign-on is enabled and confirm you are using the correct identity provider account. Then, if SSO is required, sign out of all Google or Microsoft accounts and sign back in only with the authorized one. After that, if you recently changed your email, ensure the change is completed and verified in HubSpot user settings. Now, reset your HubSpot password if you use email and password, and then attempt login again from a fresh browser session. Next, check your email inbox and spam folder for HubSpot verification or security emails that must be confirmed. Then, confirm two-factor authentication settings and use backup codes if your authenticator device changed. After that, if you are an invited user, ask the admin to resend the invite and complete the acceptance flow again. Now, review HubSpot account security logs if available to see whether logins are being blocked by security policies. Next, if you are still blocked, contact HubSpot support and provide your portal ID, user email, screenshots, and the exact error text. Then, ask your admin to temporarily grant super admin access only for testing, and remove it immediately after confirming the cause. After that, document the final permission changes so the same login issue does not return for new users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.